Hello everyone, this is Rajan from JB Tech. Today I am here to demonstrate you the basic difference between a flip-flop and a latch. As we all know that a flip-flop is a edge-triggered and latch is level-triggered. So let us think what is an edge-triggered and what is a level-triggered. I'll show you the difference between an edge-triggered and a level-triggered. So let me show you my code of a simple D flip-flop. Yes, this is my simple D flip-flop and I have written it always at the rate posage clock, that whenever there is a posage clock my data will be changed. Let me simulate my this code. Yes, this is the test bench. Let me simulate my code. Yes, you can clearly see. Let me show you. Yes, this thing, whenever there is a posage clock and there is any change in data, it will be deflected in data out. So at always posage clock, data in and data out are changed. So it is my edge trigger, that is the changing of the data is going on the edge of the clock. But it is quite different in case of latch. Let me show you. This is my code of a D latch. Let me show you the simulation of this also. This is my test bench. Let me simulate my latch code. You can clearly see this thing. Now the data is changed at the level of my clock, not at the edge of the clock. Where D is my input, Q is my output. Whenever there is change in input at any level of the clock, output also change. So this is how a latch is different from a flip-flop.